Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about the Cash App, and more specifically, we are talking about the question that is really common, and that is, can you use a prepaid debit card or a prepaid credit card to use with your Cash App? So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm going to open up the app right now. If you don't have the app, be sure to check the description. I will leave my referral link there, or you can simply just download the app at the App Store. So I'm going to go and open this up. All right, so we are inside the home screen of the Cash App right now, and this question I've got for probably the past year, and I'm just now making a video on it. So the question is, can you use a prepaid debit card or a prepaid credit card to use the Cash App? The short answer is no, you cannot. So Cash App does not support prepaid credit cards or prepaid debit cards or PayPal debit cards or ATM cards, and I don't even think they accept business credit cards right now. So they are only allowing to fund the account with Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and I believe Discover. So those are actual credit cards or a bank account. And the way you can kind of verify that is, what you want to do is click right here on the settings tab, which is this little person. It might be your photo if you put your photo there. Then once you're here, you kind of scroll down to funds right here. As you can see, there are no places for a prepaid card to be entered. The two options to fund the account are going to be with either a bank account, so that's going to go directly from your bank into the Cash App, or a credit card, a regular credit card, not a prepaid card. So something like a Visa, MasterCard, something like that. An actual credit card where they have verified your social security number and ran an application. So I don't know of any of the Cash App or cash transfer companies that accept prepaid credit cards, but what I do know is on the Cash App, they do not accept prepaid debit cards or prepaid credit cards. It has to be an actual credit card. So that's kind of unfortunate. I know that prepaid debit cards are really popular these days and an easy way to kind of pay for things online. So maybe at one point or another, the Cash App might offer that service where you can just install your prepaid debit card or prepaid credit card right here. But at this time, it has to be a bank transfer. So even if you have a prepaid debit card, that doesn't necessarily mean that you have a bank account. So when you log through here, they are going to ask for your banking information. So you have your banking information right here, or your bank debit card. So those are attached to an actual bank account, and they will be able to tell if that card that you submit is a prepaid debit card. And if that's the case, they won't accept it. The system just won't accept it. So to answer the question, can you use a prepaid debit card or a prepaid credit card with Cash App? No, you cannot, at least at the time of this recording, which is in the middle of 2019. If that changed and you know that the policy has been updated, be sure to leave us a comment, let the rest of us know, and we would appreciate it. But if you like the video, click thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.